Best Security Camera 2023. More affordable, simpler to install, and easier to use than ever before are security cameras, in particular the internet-connected Wi-Fi gadgets under evaluation here. They enable you to monitor what's going on outside or inside your home from your phone and will notify you if anything needs your attention. There is a nearly infinite variety of cameras available, both battery and mains powered, indoor and outdoor, with or without floodlights. In this video I will share with you best 5 security camera in 2023, but before start don't forget hit subscribe and click like button for support me upload more content for you. Let's start. 5. Tapo C325WB. The C325WB should be appealing to individuals who don't have or don't want to add outdoor floodlights for better nighttime footage. To see in almost complete darkness, it combines a big sensor with a brilliant f/1.0 lens. There are tiny LED spotlights, but if you absolutely don't want lights shining in the dark, you can set them to stay off. Similar to ESVIS cameras, Tapo Care Cloud Storage costs $3.49 per month for a single camera and offers the option of storing video to a microSD card for free. The good news is that the C325WB retains all of its essential capabilities, like AI-based recognition and motion zones, even if you choose to record locally. The clarity of daylight is excellent, being crisp and precise. When it comes to taking clear pictures at night, cameras with color night vision perform a much better job than those with traditional night vision. 4. ESVIS H8 Pro 3K. If you need to monitor wide areas but don't want to purchase many cameras, this is an excellent alternative. Through the app, you may instruct it to patrol up to 12 specified locations that you wish to keep an eye on. It employs conventional IR for night vision up to 30 meters, but there are a pair of LED spotlights that can cast color illumination up to about 20 meters away if you want color at night. You can set it to notify you when an unauthorized vehicle parks on your property, and you will receive alerts when individuals and cars are spotted. The H8 3K can follow people as they walk within the field of view of the camera, and you can set active defense, which activates the siren and lights the LEDs to ward off potential attackers. It is possible to read license plates on cars and see fine details on people's faces thanks to the remarkable detail in the video. It is not a fuzzy mush like with some cameras. In particular, when things are quite close to the camera and it is employing its LEDs, night vision is rather good. 3. Arlo Essential Indoor Camera. The newest smart security camera in the Arlo family, the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera, offers a budget-friendly solution to smart home protection with the distinctive Arlo flare. It's undeniably a well-made, portable smart security camera with a useful privacy shield, but because crucial capabilities are hidden behind a second paywall and it costs more than similarly equipped competitors, it's a bit of a challenge to sell. The Essential is still significantly more expensive than several of these products, while being inexpensive by Arlo standards. The camera does, however, have a handy feature, a shutter that covers the lens when you don't want it to record. This also turned off the microphone. The video quality is excellent, and a built-in speaker allows you to communicate with individuals nearby the camera while watching the live broadcast. Arlo's user-friendly software is great, but it's a shame you have to pay to have occurrences recorded. Like the other features already mentioned, some are only accessible if you subscribe. 2. ESVIS C8C. The C8C is an outdoor CCTV camera with a pan and tilt function, strobe light, motion and person recognition, and color night vision that records in 1080p HD. Although not to everyone's taste, it is durable, simple to set up and use through Wi-Fi, and it has an unusual appearance. Although it isn't as stylish as Ring or Nest cameras, the C8C has genuine pan and tilt, allowing you to modify the view from a distance rather than being constrained by what a fixed lens can see. It provides clear 1080p video and has intelligent motion detection that can distinguish between people so you can ignore unrelated occurrences. There is a microSD card for local recording in addition to the option to subscribe to the cloud storage service. 1. Netatmo Smart Outdoor Camera with Siren. Since 2016, while it was still known as the Presence, the Netatmo Smart Outdoor Camera has been in existence. Additionally, even though the instructions still use the word Presence, the new version still contains a built-in siren. There aren't many more differences between the new and old models, thus this review is applicable to both. The most recent model only has a manually driven siren. The Netatmo's ability to record footage to an integrated 8GB microSD card is one of the key reasons it is still one of the top options if you're looking for an outdoor security camera. This means that the price of letting you access your camera online is significantly lower than the price Nest and Ring must pay to store all of that video. The increased camera price is the only amount you'll ever pay, which eliminates the need for any membership payments. The Netatmo outdoor camera has many features that make us strong admirers of it. The built-in lighting is excellent, and it doesn't appear to be a security camera. You won't have to pay any membership costs, motion detection is largely dependable, and the video quality is excellent, all of which add up to significant long-term savings. Just keep in mind that it only provides sporadic video recordings, has no face recognition, and lacks a talkback speaker.